ride with us.
With Arizona Riders Club. Here today to enjoy this beautiful Saturday with you. Pulling up some information as we speak. I have something very special for you today. We're going to do a shoe review. As usual, I got to grab something real quick. As usual, we got some fire for you today. You know how it goes. Let me get right. Get loosened up out here. All right, so I got a couple descriptions I'm going to share with you, and I will pop out. We're going to break this bad boy open in a quick second, real quick. But before we continue, let me give you a second to hit that like button, the subscribe button, and share the video. Okay. So, it's been a while. Glad you guys are coming back to join me for this momentous event. It's almost like surgery when we do this, guys. We got to be careful, right? We don't want any blemishes, scuffs, marks, anything that will devalue the shoe. Yeah, everybody's going nuts over these. They're already sold. I was thinking about keeping them because I don't have any ones, but you know me, T's about the paper. And it's 2022. T needs a new vacation and a new watch and a new car and a new bike. And the wife needs some new jewels. So let's get these things out of the door. I'll probably get them off, I don't know, within the next couple of days. I just didn't have the time to meet up with the buyer, but we'll get them off. So, right out the bat, I love the box. The box, it's got a really shiny finish to it. Nothing special, you know. Nike, size 12, Air Jordan Retro High OG, black varsity red and white. All right, let's break these bad boys open, huh? Was that a light? I saw a flash. I know you did too. Careful. Okay, before I show this to you, let me share something with you. These shoes look amazing. Probably one of the best shoes I've seen in quite some time. Now, I've got 3 other pair of shoes over here that I'm going to share with you in the days to come. But these look crazy. They look insane. In hand, I could see why their resale is going for so high. Take a look at these. The Moonwalkers. The Jordan 1s, OG, Patton leather, the Bred, Patton leather. You see that? How's it looking in the light? Looking okay? Size 12. These things look amazing. No scuffs, no dents, really good quality. Haven't laced them up. I'm going to leave that to the buyer. Shoe trees. It's like smelling coffee. Fine wine. Yeah. What do you guys think? You feeling these? Are you feeling the Patton Breds? The OGs? The ones? Colorway looks magnificent. Got the white at the bottom. Take a look at the sole. I mean, need I say more about these? Yeah, I know. You want me to say more about them. Okay, let's keep going. All right. So, they gave you two different laces. Which ones would you guys rock? Would you rather have the red or would you rather have the black, which is already in there? I guess technically you could double lace them and freak it even further, you know. Let's slow down though. A lot of y'all can't handle that type of style, so we'll take it one step at a time. Me personally, I don't know, man. I'm thinking red. I'm thinking the red would go with these. All laced up, looking fly. Yeah, man. So extra pair of laces right here. Let's take one more quick spin around this before we get into the description. All right, I'm gonna sit this down for a quick second. All right, pulled up some information. We're gonna go on the first description. This is actually from Nike. All right, so the Patton Bred Air Jordan 1s. Excuse me. A colorway synonymous with his airness for over 35 years, the Air Jordan 1 Black and Red returned to this season to shine like never before. Made famous by its band mythology and MJ's majestical jumps during the 1985 dunk contest, this edition is covered in patent leather, adding to a touch of luxury to one of MJ's most legendary looks. I'd have to agree. Everybody knows the ones reign supreme. All right, we're going to see if they have more information written in here. All right, so here's the heritage. Since his game-winning shot that brought championship glory to North Carolina, Michael Jordan has been at the forefront of basketball consciousness. He took to the court in 1985 wearing the original Air Jordan 1, simultaneously breaking league rules and his opponents' will while capturing the imagination of fans worldwide. I know I was hooked. After that, Air Jordan 1, ridiculous. All right, so they have multiple sizes. Couple pictures here with the black laces, some with the red. Yeah, I'll be honest with you, I probably prefer the red. Let's see if we could get another description for you guys. I'm online looking at resale from StockX, Go, eBay, SNKSUS. Not quite sure what that is, but okay. They're going as high as $450 resale. So, you know, I ain't gonna hit you over the head like that, man. You know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I would not do that to you, player. Holla at me. You know where to find me, man. arizonaridersclub.com. You can go to arizonaridersclub.com. You can purchase the shoes there. You can also hit me up on all of my social medias. If you go to Arizona Riders Club, I say Arizona.com, ArizonaRidersClub.com, you can find all my social medias, one-click stop. Who knows? You might even find something else that you find that tickles your fancy. So head on over to ArizonaRidersClub.com and leave me a shout out. All right. Okay, so we're going to go to Sneaker Bar Detroit. Let's see what they have to say. For the 2021 holiday season, Jordan Brand will be releasing patent leather version of the beloved Bred Air Jordan 1. Dressed in a black and white varsity red color scheme, this Air Jordan 1 features a full patent leather upper in black and red with signature Nike Air branded tongues and wings, ankle logo, family detail stitch on the lining atop a white midsole, and red rubber outsole completes the design. All right, so it looks like they were released December 30th. I believe I copped these a little bit earlier than that. I just didn't get around to doing this review. I had a lot going on, work, other things, children, wife, well, family things, So I'm back in action, ready to give you guys this review, and man, do they look beautiful. Let's take a look at these one more again before I let you go. Yeah, I'm definitely rocking the red laces with these. Man, I love that symbol there at the end. It looks real good. It looks really, really good. All right, guys. Shoot me a comment. Let me know what you think about these breads. I think these are hitting for this new year. I actually saw a cat with the older versions of these that weren't the actual patent leather, and they still look saucy. So, I mean, these look even better. Um, Hopefully they hold up. Image, you know, these are once a month type of shoe that you gonna wear, right? These aren't an everyday type of shoe. However, you do what you feel. You buy them for a reason, right? You spend your money because you like it. Don't let anybody try to influence you on what to rock, how to wear it, when to wear it. You do what you want to do as long as you pay for them, right? So, before we close out, oh man, these things are beautiful. Should I keep them? I just want the paper. I'm sure I'll find my way into another set of these Air Jordan 1 patent leather Breds. But for now, it's your main man T signing out. Arizona Riders Club. Right?